So this is Junxi Sun, and it's my homework video for week 10. The week 10 last week. Uh, so we got like two tasks for this week. One to give an introduction for the top three Excel function you often use to solve the problems you made in Excel, and also got like the second task give a recommendation for the quick access toolbar. So let's just begin with the first task, the top three Excel function. I have already listed there. You can see the first one I think I most common use. It's the flash fill. Just give an example. Just like if you want a new column and you want the number you want to fill, it's be filled with the number 1 to 10. You can get this 1, 2, 3, and yeah, you can select these three cells, and the Excel can learn by itself. So just drag down to 10. Yeah, you got this new column with a number filled with 1 to 10, and also if I use the function sum up, yeah, I choose this and I get the results. And if I create a new column, whatever, it doesn't matter. Yeah, just like this. I want to. I also want to know the sum of this column. You don't need to put or type the formula again. Just use the flash fill, drag to drag it to, so you can get the result. And this is the sum of this column. So that is all the introduction to the flash fill. And when it's come to the pivot table, I use data we used in Weekline. Yeah, you can see that the Weekline Excel training data. So I just can give introduction by use this kind of data. You can see that in this table, it's very in this table you can see it's very clear that we have 5 variables: one for months, one for average customer scores, one for the discount item, and one for like the online clicks, and one for the there's like 5 variables for the pivot table. The most useful things for me to use it is to try to find the correlation or the relationship between these variables. So just like you can go to the insert and create a new pivot table, and in a new worksheet or whatever, you can just keep in the existing worksheet. Doesn't matter. So I would just go with a new worksheet, and you can say there's 4 areas: filters, columns, rows, and values. If you want to know the months, the relationship between the unit sales and the months, you can put months in the rows and put the column in the sales. You can get this. And the extension for function for in the pivot table is the pivot chart. You can say that if you really want to know, you can say, the pivot chart. I think you need also to put in the value. We don't need this. I hope so. So from this, you can say that if you want to know the relationship and you want to find the correlation between the months and the sum of unit sales, you can drag the sum of sales into the values, and then insert. Just click. Just click to insert a pivot chart. You can say the correlation. If you still think it's unclear or want to change the format, you can also click this and change the chart. You can, if you think the line is more, the linear is more clearly to show the relationship, you can use the linear just like this. and also you got like the pie charts, whatever. So what I want to say there, the pivot chart is really good function for you to to find the correlation or relationship between the variables you want in the table. Yeah. And for the last one, I want to talk about it's a diagram. Yeah, I have already told about that. There are like several diagrams. As I just showed the histogram diagram, the pivot, the linear, the line chart, pie chart, bar charts. Yeah, there are different kind of. You can just go to the change the chart type. You can see the different chart. Also, if you are not sure with this, you can also insert. Yeah, just come back to the data site, to the data page. Yeah, just like all, and you can use the scatter plots. Scatter plots is also a good. It's also a diagram. Yeah, you see that. Yeah, it's not very clear because you want to know the correlation between these two. The months just sorry, yeah, should they? Oh, sorry. Yeah, it's like this and it's like this, and insert scatter plot. Yeah, here it is. And if you can't say, yeah, from the eyeball analysis, if you can't say the correlation, you can use or yeah, add a chart element. Yeah, the trend line. Use the linear. Yeah, maybe so from the trend line, you can say it's a little bit positive, or you can say there's no obvious or there's no relationship between this kind of, because yeah, the trend is not so obvious. So that's it all for my homework video. Thank you.